Hey everyone, welcome back to another edition of Azure Every Day. I'm Chris Sefurla, Senior Principal Architect over here with Pragmatic Works. And today I'm going to talk about how Nasdaq announced a partnership with Azure Blockchain. Okay, they just announced it last week, and Microsoft will integrate its Azure Blockchain technology into Stock Exchange Nasdaq's financial framework, a software which provides a trading infrastructure and operations outsourcing and fulfills Nasdaq's risk and surveillance technology offering. So with this partnership, Nasdaq and Microsoft will create a ledger-agnostic blockchain capability that will allow for operability across multiple ledgers, and it'll facilitate easier buyer and seller matching, management of delivery, and payment and settlement of transactions, right? So for those of you who don't know, and you're kind of wondering what the buzzword blockchain is, it's a growing list of records called blocks, which are linked using cryptography, right? Each block contains a cryptographic hash of the previous block. It also includes a timestamp and its transaction data, so whatever transaction you're making. And that's generally represented as a Merkle tree root hash, a cryptography term, right? Some of the common uses are things like cryptocurrency, smart contracts, and banks, right? And then now you're starting to see more things like logistics from some of the big players, UPS and IBM and stuff like that. So integrating that Azure blockchain will now allow Nasdaq's financial framework customers to deploy various blockchains through one common interface, in addition to promoting blockchain development, right? So they're setting up this partnership to build a platform for more blockchain development in other areas, and also for cryptocurrencies, right? Recently, Nasdaq revealed a new blockchain patent, which makes reference to an information computer system provided for securely releasing time-sensitive information to recipients via a blockchain. With the patent, the Nasdaq is looking to ease releasing timely information to the media while keeping it secure and watertight from a legal standpoint. So they need to make announcements around, things like earnings and stuff like that, and they need to make sure that stays secure for regulatory reasons, right? To make sure that information isn't released early and things like that. So using blockchain for a secure mechanism for doing that. In a previous announcement, Nasdaq representative announced that they are exploring adding crypto data sets to its market analytics tool, right? And this could be the platform used by forming this partnership, right? So now you've got the platform, and they announced that they were going to do this, so kind of makes sense that they'll probably use it for this. Back in August, Azure introduced a proof of authority algorithm on its Ethereum blockchain product. A proof of authority algorithm is based on the principle of approved identities or validators on a blockchain and does not require competition in completing the transactions, right? So, basically Microsoft put together this platform, and now you've got a major player in the Nasdaq wanting to take advantage of it. So it's pretty cool. It's a really neat announcement, and I'm very curious to see where it goes. Over here at Pragmatic Works, we're doing all kinds of stuff with Azure, everything in the data space and machine learning and data science and blockchain. And we're curious to hear what you need help with and what you're doing in your own environments. So, if you've got any questions around Azure or any of these technologies, feel free to reach out. We're happy to help out, or click the link below for more information. Thanks for your time, and we'll talk more. Thanks. Bye.